Hey everyone, so I made this delicious sauce. If you want to see how this is made, how I came about with this sauce, then stay put and don't go anywhere. See you after the break. So I'll start with my chicken. I use the old layer chicken, the strong one. So now I'm putting mixed spices, mixed herbs, my salt and seasoning cube, seasoning powder rather. I used jumbo seasoning, and now I'm putting in some smoked paprika, and a little bit of curry powder. Mix everything together. Add some water to enable the spices get into the chicken. Now I'm putting ginger, garlic and some green spices, all frozen, my onion, and place on the fire for it to cook. Remember, you have to prepare this chicken for at least an hour so that it will get soft and well cooked, because this is the strong chicken I used. I didn't use the soft chicken. So at least an hour I'll be cooking this chicken. Now let's get to the main ingredient. So here I'm going to be using the sweet bell peppers to prepare this sauce. That's mostly the ingredient. So I'm taking out the seeds from the bell peppers, clean them, chop them and place in my blender. This method is so delicious, guys. I promise you that if you try this, I'm sure you will not be using the fresh tomato to prepare your sauce anymore. This is so delicious. Just chop everything together to save time. Now I'm going to chop some onion to blend together. And I'll be adding some frozen green leaf spices and garlic and ginger. Just blend everything together. Now this chicken has been cooking for like 30 minutes. I'll add some water and let it cook again, because it is still strong even after 30 minutes. Now in this pot, I put in the blended bell pepper, and I'll be adding a little bit of tomato paste, just to add more redness into the sauce. Mix everything together. Now cover the pot and let it boil. So this is the chicken. It's ready now and soft. Yeah, this has been boiling for the past 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the chicken and its stock. Mix everything together. Now I'm putting in my vegetable oil. Mix again. So now I'll be putting in a little bit of salt to taste. And some white pepper and black pepper. Curry powder and seasoning powder. Mix everything. So this is basically all of the things that are needed in this sauce. If you want to add more spices, it's up to you. Now I taste to see if the seasoning is correct, and everything was perfect. So this is the sauce. It is ready and it's time for it to be consumed. I promise you guys, this is so delicious. You have to try this and thank me later. Our sauce is done. Now I'm just washing my rice because we will be having this with some boiled basmati rice. I put in my salt and a little bit of oil or vegetable oil so that it won't get boiled and throw all over the cooker. So our rice is ready now. Look at this sauce, guys. It's so delicious. I really indulge you to try this and you will love it. Now my hubby is about to eat. And I promise you he enjoyed the meal. Thank you all for watching right up to this part of the video. I appreciate you all. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share if you can. Thank you all and see you in my next video. Bye.